Hello everyone, and welcome back to another epic tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to edit. So, first, if you want to edit a video, you've of course got to get your video. So, we've got this really nice gameplay right here. Totally. And then once you got that, you want to add some sound effects, make it a little more fun, you know? So, let's just add a little bit of this in here. Maybe some of this in here. Right there, why not? And then you might want to get a little bit of music in there, spice it up a little bit. So, music never hurt anyone. And then maybe add a little bit of more music, maybe, who knows? Your choice. But I might spice it up a little bit more, add a little bit different. But maybe put it in at different other random times. Like, let's say there and there. So we can do that, and that looks like it's going to be a banger right there. Billboard Hot 100 if you ask me. So, now, in our final part of the video, we've got everything together that we need, don't we? No. Editing. You can never have enough editing. Here, I only have one example to give. However, it is a very strong example. And then that is something that you're always going to want somewhere in your video. So we'll just put it in right there about, that looks pretty perfect. And then we could just make it a little bit smaller and then off to a side for some dramatic effect. There's some editing. Doesn't it look good? Now, all we can do, look at that. It already looks pretty awesome. Wow. This is going to be a top 10 video. Now, what you want to do is, how long is this? 30 seconds. That's not long enough. You got to get it 10 minutes so you can get all the ad revenue. So you can get rich off of this. So, what you do, just take it, copy and paste it. Just spam it in there. Oh, would you look at that? It's 10 minutes. Perfect. Well, looks like we've got ourselves a perfect video. Wanna see what it looks like?
Stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
Look at
21.
that.
You stupid.
This is very good, if you ask me. This is like top 10 videos of all time. That's perfect. Wow. Would you look at that? Now, last final single step. You gotta export it. So, you just put it in as something like this video is gonna get 1 million views. Or actually no, even better. Just something else like, you wouldn't believe what Mr. Beast said. And then add some exclamation points just to make it that much better. And then add to render queue, start render.
Stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.